Open a browser on your desktop or laptop. Type nsw.gov.np in the address bar and press enter. To register your account in Nepal National Single Window, scroll below and click on the account registration under Trader's Guide. The account registration form gets loaded in a new tab. Select Traders as the user type and click on the right arrow to proceed forward. You can see the progress of the registration process below. In this company profile form, enter information of your company as per the fields shown. Here, a valid EXIM code of company is required. If the EXIM code is valid, some fields will get auto-filled by the system. An error message will be shown if the code is invalid. The logo of company can be uploaded here, but it is optional. Besides the fields of website and fax, rest are mandatory. Click on the right arrow after filling all the mandatory fields. In user profile form, fill in the information of either the company's proprietor or authorized personnel. Here, either personal PAN or company PAN is required, in which personal PAN is given preference. If the entered PAN is valid, some of the fields get auto-filled. If company PAN is entered here, then company's name gets auto-filled in the first name and the last name fields. You will have to edit these and type in the user's name. You can upload user profile picture here, but it is optional. Click on the right arrow after filling all the mandatory fields as shown. Here, scan copy of supporting documents like company registration and PAN certificate have to be uploaded. To upload the file, either drag and drop the file inside the dashed box or click inside the box. Search and select the file in the file browser and click on Open. Here, either image file format like .jpg, .png or PDF file can be uploaded, and the file size should be 2 MB or less. After uploading the file, select the type of the uploaded file. Besides these two documents, you can also upload the authorization letter if required. Here, select any one of the file type. You can view and verify the uploaded file by clicking on the preview icon. You can remove the file by clicking on the remove icon. You can also download the file if needed. After uploading all these scan files, click on the right arrow. Here you can check and verify all the information entered so far. If there is any mistake, you can go back by clicking on the left arrow and make necessary corrections. As the system will send email notifications in the user email, check if the user email address is correct. The terms and conditions for the usage of single window system can be checked by clicking here. After all the information is checked and verified, click on the register button. You will receive an email notification regarding your registration process. The registration form is now forwarded to the helpdesk staff of Department of Customs for verification process. If the information submitted is verified successfully, your account will be activated. If there is some issue in the information submitted, you will receive a query email from helpdesk where you can see the query message. Click on the provided link in the email to make necessary changes. Resubmit the form by clicking on the register button. After successful verification, you will receive an email notification with some account details and a link to set password and activate your account. The password must be of at least 8 characters with mandatory 1 capital letter, 1 number and 1 special character. After setting your password, you can now log in the system by typing your PAN number and password in the login page. If you have any problem or issue during registration process, please contact the help desk. The help desk contact details are provided on the home page of the system.